Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charity. If today is your first time coming to my channel, for today's tutorial I'm doing my full face makeup, and first I'm going to prime my lips, and I'm using this Vaseline. It's full of aloe vera and it helps keep my lips so soft throughout the makeup. The next thing I'm going to do is to prime my face, and this time I'm using Kleancolor Pro Prep and Prime spray. So first of all, you spray your face with it, shake it and spray your face with it, then you wait for it to set, and then you can go on and apply any other primer if you want, or you can continue. Now that the face is set, I'm going to apply another primer. This one is L.A.Girl Pro Prep High Definition Moisture Nourishing Face Primer. Okay, I apply it on my forehead, cheeks, nose, where I normally creases a lot. That is where I apply it most of the time. Now I went off camera and I did my brows, as you all can see. And if you want to know how I do my brows, please check on my channel for that. Next, I'm going to apply foundation, and for this foundation I'm using Milani Total Full Coverage Foundation. Okay, and I'm going to blend it all together. So to blend my foundation, I'm using this beauty sponge from Wandaya. It's a very nice beauty sponge, very soft. But one thing I've realized is that whenever you use there are some beauty sponge that they are kind of hard when they are dry. So what you can do is that you kind of moisturize it, like wet it and blow dry it, and then it becomes soft. Then you can use it to apply your foundation, and that is what I did to this beauty sponge. As you can see, I think applying the foundation, I cleaned some part of my eyebrows, and I'm trying to bring it back in shape. And next thing I'm going to do is to conceal, and then I'm applying this concealer from L.A.Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in the shade Fawn. So I'm applying it on my under the eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, the chin, areas where I want to highlight. The next thing I'm going to do is to blend this concealer, and I'm using this beauty sponge from I think Rosé. Yeah. So after blending everything just like how I'm blending it, I went on with Sacha Buttercup to set where I have blended the concealers. Next, I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on the crease, and I'm using this Naked eyeshadow palette. So I'm applying this on the transition as my transitioning shade. Okay, transitioning shade actually helps to pop the other colors, and it makes it so beautiful. Next, I'm going to use this sleek palette. This one is sleek Eye Divine mineral based eyeshadow palette. What's going on? Called Oh So Special 658, and I'm using the black eyeshadow on the outer crease of my eyelids. Okay, so try and blend this together. I'm trying to blend everything together into the crease, and I'm using from the other palette, that is the Naked palette. I'm going to pick this purple wine color, and I'm blending it in between the crease where I have the black and then the transitioning shade together. Next, I'm going to apply this shimmer, kind of blue kind of shimmer from the same sleek palette, here, and I'm applying it on the inner corner, from the inner corner on the all over the crease, but not to the outer corner of the eye. Okay, I normally like my crease, my shimmering and metallic eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eyelids. Next, I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow again, just to blend the shimmer and the other shades all together to make it look flawless. And next, I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow that I use on the transitioning shade. Next, I'm contouring, and I'm using this brush from Anjou. It's a contour brush, and I also use a contour palette from Duo contour palette from Nikak, I think so. The next thing I'm doing is to blend, to set my entire face, or to set the entire face, and I'm using L.A.Girl. Sorry I didn't show it earlier. I use L.A.Girl to set my entire face. L.A.Girl Pro High Definition Press Powder to set my entire face. And I'm using this dual contour palette to kind of contour the nose a little bit to make it slimmer. Went on with my powder brush just to dust off any other excess and to set the entire face. Okay, as you can see, I'm setting the entire face together and blending everything so that you don't see contour, highlights and everything. So next I'm going to apply this glow color box from Color Box. It's a melanin glow from Color Box. You see that beautiful glow it gives to my cheeks. Okay, yeah, so I applied it all over on my cheeks, and then I applied some also on my forehead. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. Next I use my finger to apply some on the bridge of my nose just to pop the nose a little bit, and then inner tear. Is it inner tear? Oh yeah, same thing, bridge of my nose. Okay, and I'm using this Fawn brush. I normally use Fawn brush when I want a little bit of highlights on the face, so it doesn't apply a much concentrated highlights. Okay, so I'm using this brush, this Fawn brush, to kind of dust some highlight on all over the face. I just want my whole face to kind of glow a little bit. Okay, I really enjoy doing this thing, so it's so beautiful. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to apply a blush, and I'm using this duo beautiful blush from Cock. I kind of picked the two colors and I'm applying it on the cheeks just to warm the face a little bit. Okay, yeah, I love this part really. It's kind of gives me color. Okay, applying blush gives you color. That's all that I know about it, and I think that is what makes it beautiful. So after applying contour, highlights and everything, you apply blush to make it beautiful. And I'm using this beautiful Classic makeup lipstick. This one is in the shade number 7. Yeah, it's very dark purple and it's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm applying it all over my lips, and I think I went on with the purple pencil liner just to line the lips so that it looks more defined. Okay, next I'm using this setting spray from Kleancolor, and I'm spraying it all over my face to set the makeup in place, guys. And I think this is the end of this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on my wig and I'll be right back. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. This wig that I'm using is from Chacha's Classic makeup. Yes, I did it myself. Thank you and have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed life. Bye.